Shimco has received official certification from Boeing, allowing it to manufacture and supply aerospace components from its Moroccan facility. This certification marks a major step in integrating Morocco into the global aerospace supply chain. Meeting Boeing's stringent quality control and on-time delivery expectations in a new production environment could be pretty challenging. I'm interested to see how they do that. This facility will be producing key structural components for Boeing's commercial and defense programs, further diversifying its international supplier base.
Good for you, Morocco. Morocco's been a bit of an under-the-radar powerhouse for aerospace for quite some time now, and I do remember Boeing's kind of initiating the supply chain out of there. So that's good news. The challenge, however, given an organization that is at the top of the spotlight pile on quality, this quality and delivery standards that these guys are going to have to adhere to are huge. It's a new facility, so it comes with higher risk of defects and production inefficiencies. Boeing requires zero defects because they have to, and strict on-time delivery because of backlogs. So any delays or quality failures could jeopardize the whole long-term contract, and very quickly. That is the number one. Don't look pensive, Brian. You know you agree.
This certification is a huge milestone. Okay, they've been working on this certification since 2021. Now they can supply all these laminated materials and all these fabricated parts to Boeing directly and to Boeing's worldwide supply chain. They're going to be coming from, as you mentioned, Moroccan factories, also Canadian factories. But getting that certification is one thing. And you're right, Andrew. Now they've got to figure out how to supply and to supply with quality, to supply on time, to supply with no defects. So I'm going to go crazy today and just say that you're right.
Yay. Yeah.
Roll credit.
Missed quality targets, exactly, is the risk of contract loss. You got delays, it's going to give them fines, penalties, reputational damage. So yeah, it's the big one. How are they going to tackle that then?
Well, this actually news comes just 2 months after Shimco signed an agreement with Midpark, which is an integrated industrial platform in Morocco, to facilitate their establishment of this, this new factory, this new manufacturing operations. They initially committed to constructing a 1,300 square meter production plant with plans to double that capacity within the next 3 years and to triple that capacity within the next 7. Yep. So they're planning on, already, hey, we're going to make a bunch. It sounds like they're trying to tackle this by thinking of this process of we need to make them, so let's build the plant. And of course, with that process, build in your correct MESMOM, your correct quality controls, all of that into this process of, as we talked about before, when you're building a new plant and knowing what your end goal is, you're able to use some of those modern options for tracking all of your process of manufacturing into the way you build a plant. So I think that's how they're tackling it, is just by being able to build the right kind of manufacturing facilities to deliver what they need to deliver.
Yeah, you're right. And I think just to go a little more granular, I mean, this is kid in a candy store stuff for us, because you've got this greenfield site. You can get it right first time. I think this is your opportunity to have that digital twin of your process, of your manufacturing process. So you can build that in. Then you can get your advanced planning and scheduling sorted. So your FCFs, your FCP, finite capacity scheduling, finite capacity planning, get that so that you're not overburdening the lines, that you've got everything synchronized coming in from your supply chain. Produce a just-in-time production plan that will give you your on-time delivery without wastage and gives you that lean strategy. And then ultimately, you've got your MES that's monitoring and managing your statistical process controllers as well, your quality gates on the line. This is a beautiful opportunity to get it right first time, rather than kind of inheriting a brownfield, which you've got to re-engineer. So love to get there. Let's go to Morocco and help.
We know some folks.
Yeah. See you next week.